What's up, math lovers? Today I'll be presenting to you my birthday polynomial project, hosted and brought to you by your server, Jesus Sanchez. So let's start, guys. So I was born on September 14, 2000. So my numerical order was 0914 2000. So my reverse order is 00024 So the polynomial function that I was able to create was 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus x plus 9. So next we have the end behavior. The way I found the end behavior was with the leading coefficient test, which I used 2x cubed, which had a positive odd degree, so therefore the graph falls to the left and rises to the right. Which the same process I was able to find the domain and the range, which was negative infinity to positive infinity, due to the fact that the graph falls all the way to the left and rises all the way to the right. Next we have the y-intercept. I got 0.09, so the way I found the y-intercept was by substituting the x for 0 and solving for y. So after I solve it, I got 9. So next we have the rational root theorem. So the possible zeros that I was able to get was plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1/2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 3 divided by 2, plus or minus 9, and plus or minus 9 divided by 2. So I worked them all by substituting every single one of them on x to find which one gave me 0, but I found out that none of them gave me 0, so I decided to use the one that was closer to 0, which was negative 3, that gave me negative 6. Next I decided to try 2 more points, negative 2 and negative 4. Negative 2 gave me 11 and negative 4 gave me negative 51. So I scratched on negative 4 because it was the negative 51 was so far up from the 0. Next I decided to use negative 2.7, which gave me 1.494, which was closer to 0. And then after testing some more points, I came to the conclusion that negative 2.768 was the 0. Next we have the relative maximum and minimum. The way I found the relative maximum and minimum was by testing numbers to find the highest and lowest points possible. So here I have the work of what I did for the maximum and the minimum. So I started substituting numbers. So I started with the negative 2 and it gave me 11. Next I got negative 1 and it gave me 12, and then negative 1.5 and it gave me 12.75, and I came to the conclusion that negative 1.48 gave me 12.736. Then I started with the minimum. I did the same process, except that instead of looking for the highest point, I was looking for the lowest point. So I started with the 0 and it gave me 9. Then I got 1 and it gave me 14. So I knew that 1 and all the numbers after 1 were not going to give me low points. Then I used 0.1, which gave me 8.942. And after testing more points, I came to the conclusion that 0.115 was the lowest point with 8.941. Next, we have how does this graph represent my life? Well, in middle school, I was very happy because I had a lot of friends. But then that happiness stopped and declined a little bit when I entered high school, which was Bex. But then after some time, I started getting more friends that I was happy again. In the next 25 seconds, I'll be demonstrating to you how does this graph represent my life, and also all the data that I collected in a written statement. Please pause the video every 5 seconds in order for you to read it all.